Okay, I am back with another video on algebraically solving linear inequalities and equations. It is what number is decreased by 6 is equals to 15 increased by 6. 27. For what value of x does this? So 3x minus 9 is 30 divided by 5. 3x minus 9 is 6. 3x is equals to 15 and x equals to 5. John's age is 4 times that of couple. So John is 4 times couple. The total of their ages is 25. John plus couple is 25. What is the product of their ages? Okay, 4k plus k equals to 25. K is equals to 5. And when k equals to 5, j is equals to 20. 5 into 20 should be 100. 6 plus x is 8 more than 6. Okay, so x should be 8 and 3 times x should be 24. Okay, to earn a profit of over $4,500, an instrument store must sell its drum at 6 times its minimum cost price. What is the lowest cost price the shopkeeper can set to achieve this? Okay, so let's say the cost price of the drum is D and the selling price should be 60. Okay, so 60 minus D should be greater than 4,500. So 5D should be greater than 4,500 and D should be greater than 900. So minimum is 900, greater than or equals to, basically. I think that should work. Yes, that is the correct answer. So their selling price should be 900. The minimum cost price should be 900. Okay, let's do this next one then. What equation represents the cost of internet when the time spent is greater than 10 minutes? Considering that the service costs 0.8 minutes for the first 10 minutes. So for the first 10 minutes and 0.10 per minute thereafter. Okay, 0.1 is t minus 10 because those 10 minutes have been charged before. So this would be this one. Minus 5x is less than 100. Now remember that whenever you move a negative sign to the other side, you flip the inequality. X is greater than minus 20, so that should be the answer. 5 consecutive even numbers add to 65. What is the middle number? So there are various ways to do this. One important strategy is that the mean and median of consecutive numbers is the same. So if I calculate the mean, I get 13. So 13 is the middle number. Uh, that can't be true. 5 consecutive even numbers add to 65. Times 1, 5 times 3. I think this question has an error because 13 is not an even number. So it should either say odd numbers or something like that. So although I'm marked in 13, that shouldn't be the correct answer. This is a different idea. I'll probably cover it in another video. If a plane faces a headwind of 30 miles per hour, it can cover a particular distance in 6 hours. However, the return flight takes 1 hour less because there's headwind. What is the speed of the plane during the flight? Okay, so speed of the plane during the flight, the distances should be equal. So how do I calculate the distance? I'm going to multiply time by the speed. So I'm going to say if there's headwind, the speed is minus 30. If there is no headwind, the speed is s. If the headwind is in my direction, it's s plus 30. So 6s minus 30 goes to 5s plus 30. 6s minus 180, 5s plus 150. S is therefore equals to 330. Okay, and I get s as the speed of the plane, so that should be the correct answer. Yes. 9 less than 5 times the sum of a number. The sum of a number and 7 is at most 26. So 5x plus 35 is less than or equals to 26 plus 9 is 35. So 5x is less than or equals to 0. X is less than or equals to 0. Any number less than or equals to 0. That is the correct answer. That's it for this level. We are going to be back with another video for the next level. Thank you for watching.